Hi everyone. Alright, just a quick update on my car. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but this is what I'm dealing with. As you can see, I have Air Force air struts, and you can see right here I got a bubble, and that's not good. Just like if you get a bubble on your tire, you don't want to ride on it just because at any given moment it will blow. I also have a gash here too. I think this was when I was running -17 camber, and I think part of the wheel caught this. That's what I'm assuming. But yeah, I'm dealing with this bubble here, and what just came in the mail is my replacement bag. So this is what I got. It's a direct replacement from Air Force, so this should be direct fit. I should have no problems with that. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So what I'm gonna do is drop this whole strut here, unbolt it from the top and from the hub here, disconnect my line, pull it out, take this one off, put the new one on, put it all back together. So today I'm gonna be, I guess, walking you through the process of putting on a bag on your air strut replacement. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let me go ahead and get all this off. I'm not gonna record it because it's pretty self-explanatory how to take that out. So once I get that out, I'll show y'all what to do next. Alright, just got my strut out. That's what she looks like. So what you want to do before you take your actual bag off, so you know your ride height, you want to mark where this bottom lock collar is, just so you know when you put it back on, this is the exact place it needs to be. I got a black marker. I didn't have any other color marker, but I'm not sure how well this is going to show up. I'm going to outline the whole thing, and I'm going to try to get this colored pencil. I doubt it's going to work. But I can see this black marker here. We'll use this just to mark where it's at. And then after you do that, you're gonna break this collar off, or break it, loosen it, take this out, take your top wallet off, take the top hat off, and then from there, once this whole top hat's off, you should be able to, after you loosen this bottom lock collar, you should be able to thread this whole air strut, the bag, off the strut. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, I just got the bag off. As you can see, looks like a normal strut here, like a coilover strut or something like that. So that's how you do right here. Just break the bottom lock, take the top hat off, unscrew it, and that's it. How the bags work is when you put your air in here, there's a seal, there's an O-ring right here that mates with this smooth surface of the strut here, and that prevents air from coming out. And then you have a inside here, there's going to be another O-ring, which is right here, that rests up against here, and that keeps the seal, the weight of the car on top of this part keeps the seal, so there's no air comes out from there. So that's basically how those air suspension works. So now we got that off, all we're going to do is put this one on and do everything in reverse order. So it's fairly simple, as long as you don't run into any problems. What makes it easier to put this on, since this is rubber on this smooth metal surface, is to use some WD-40 around the surface here, and it makes it smoother, makes it easier to twist on. So you're not twisting rubber on metal where it's not that easy. So if you put some WD-40 on that should help you. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back on, torque it all back down, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so I just finished that, and it fit perfect. Same thread pitch, everything. Like I said, this came from Air Force, so I wasn't too worried of fitment issues or anything like that. So I got it where I want on the lock collar, ride height. Got my top hat back on, make sure everything's tight. I made sure I positioned my air hose nipple where I wanted it before I locked it down. So I got all that done. So now I just gotta throw it in the car. So yeah, that's it. That's basically it for replacing your bag on your air strut. Super simple, not hard at all. So that's it. So let me go ahead and throw this in the car, and then go ahead and hook the air hose up to it, make sure it functions properly, make sure there's no leaks, and then we're good to go. So let me go do that. Alright, got her all buttoned up. Strut's in. She's aired out right now, as you can see. So I'm gonna hop in, air her up, watch for a couple seconds, make sure there's no major leaks on the display up here. Turn this on. Give it a second to load. All right. I'll hit that up. Okay, she's right there. And it's gonna be, this one here is gonna be my front driver, front passenger, rear driver, rear passenger. So we'll be monitoring this one for a couple seconds, make sure there's no major leaks. Looks good right now. My battery's low too. But I'm gonna leave it on for a couple minutes, I'm gonna monitor it, and then I'm gonna come back and make sure it hasn't decreased drastically. But right now it looks fine. So yeah, that's it right there. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching this video. Hopefully it helped y'all, whoever needs to change bags or put a replacement bag on their air struts. Hopefully that helped. If it did, give me a like. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'll be posting videos here and there, what I do to my car and all that. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching, and yeah, thanks for watching.